wake up slow, babe. Feel that first light kiss your skin. Your body's warm against mine where the night ain't quite done yet. I trace your spine with lazy fingers, hear your breath catch thin. Those little sighs you make, Lord, they're pulling me in. Darling, your mouth finds that spot behind my ear. Teeth grazing gentle and harder when I arch right here. Your hand slips low, a cup in heat that's already wet for you. Every touch ignites, making me tremble through and through. Listen close, hear it. The soft morning sounds of passion, breath hitching, skin sliding, moans we can't contain. Just you and me, losing ourselves again. I know a place where we can go and be all alone. Just you and me, no world knocking at the door. Deep in the pines, by that hidden bend in the creek, where the water whispers low and the sunlight barely peeks, we'll lay out a blanket, strip down to nothing but truth. Let the morning sounds of passion echo back to us. Just you and me, burning slow and true. Drive me out there, baby, windows down, wind in my hair. Your hand on my thigh, climbing higher without a care. Pull over where the trees hide us, kill the engine quiet, and pull me across the seat, make me beg for it. Girl, I'll spread you out under that apple shade, taste every inch till you're shaking, calling my name, your legs round my shoulders, hips lifting to meet me. Those soft morning sounds turning wild and needy, hear it building. Letting go. I know a place where we can go and be all alone. Just you and me, tangled deep where the wild things grow, by that secret bend, with the mist still hanging low. We'll chase that fire till the sun climbs high and slow. Let the morning sounds of passion fill the air we breathe, skin on skin, heart to heart, no secrets left to leave. Just you and me, forever in this heat. No rush, just deep, every thrust a promise kept. Drown in the quiet where our bodies intercept. Those soft morning sounds echoing through the trees. Just you and me, lost in sweet relief.